In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select personalizations, and here click on wallpapers. Now it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from your own photos, the top of the list, one from static wallpapers, or some from live wallpapers. So here you can reach all the options. If you click on it, you can check how it looks. Then if you'd like to apply live wallpaper, just pick it, and here you can check out how it looks. So for example, let me apply this one for lock screen. Click on apply, and then pick which screen you would like to apply it to. So actually I can do it only on both. Let me click on it, and here it is. As you can see, this brand new live wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screens. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.